What's up, Heat Gang? It's your boy Heat Gang back with another fire video. Today's video, we unboxing the Glock 19X. I've been waiting for this gun for 13 days to be exact. 13 days, bro. Went to the gun show and bought it. And all these holidays had my junk not getting shipped, bro. So I've been just waiting. And I finally got the call that my gun was ready for pickup. So that's what we're gonna be doing, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified every time I drop a fire video. And let's get straight into it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's get straight into it. Got the Glock 19X, bro. Like, just look at the case, bro. Just look at the case. That case is just sexy, bro. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm about to just hang it up on my wall, bro. I'm gonna just hang it up on my wall, bro. Just look at that color on that case. That FDE color is just so mwah. We're gonna see what's inside the case, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what's inside the case, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you know you got the firearm. Put that to the side real quick. You got 3 mags, 117 flush. Then you got 2 17s with +2 on them, on both of them. So you got 3 mags. You get a Glock speed loader. You know what I'm saying? You get different back straps with them beaver tails. I don't think I'm gonna use them though. I don't think I'm gonna put one on. You got the lock. Come with some tools, paperwork, and that's all that's inside the box, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what's in the box. 3 mags. Let's get to the good stuff. Look at that baby right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that, bro. Like, just look at that, bro. That junk is smatsy. Ooh, wait.
Stop it. Get some help.
We are, by the way, clear. Safe direction. Cool. Got that's the wall. Not a bad wall. Then you got pull, reset. Whew. That thing is. Whew. It comes with the glow in the dark night sights. You know what I'm saying? They glow up in the dark. The way it feel inside my hand, bro, is great. Like, I love the way you got that compact slide with the full-size frame. It's a perfect combination. Perfect. So you got the 17 frame with the 19 slide. Obviously, I love the color about it. I love the color. That color is just something different. It's different. It's different. Then you know you got the ambidextrous slide locks. Ambidextrous slide lock. Both sides. Every Glock you can switch out that mag release if you needed to. Impressions out the box, bro, it's just perfect. You know what I'm saying? Got nothing bad to say about it, other than the weight. I had to wait, but that's the holidays' fault. That thing is just, oh my goodness, I love it. it's perfect. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is, that thing is beautiful. Beautiful. I ain't really gonna do too much to this gun. Really just gonna leave it stock, bro. I'm gonna throw a flared magwell on it with a light, of course. And that's really all I'm gonna do to it. If y'all got some suggestions I should do to it, drop it down below in the comments. And you know what I'm saying? We'll pimp out this 19X. You know, I don't have plans on doing much to it. That thing, it just feels so good in the hand, bro. So that's how the 17 look. Then you got the 17 with the +2. That thing is smassy. That thing look good, bro. What y'all rate this? 1 through 10, bro. Copper drop, L or W, all of that. Drop it down below in the comments, bro. All of that, like. Oh my goodness. Pressure. If you can't handle the heat, stay out the kitchen, baby. Stay out the kitchen, baby. I'm gonna take this to the range probably tomorrow. Bro. And put some rounds through this. Shoot it for y'all. Man, I'm in love. And I ain't even shoot it yet. I haven't shot it yet, and I'm already in love. Oh my goodness. Like, it's like the perfect sized gun in my hands. Like, it's probably the best gun I've felt. 19X. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? The frame already feels good how it is to me in my hand already. So I'm not really worried about it. I don't know. I mean, they both look good. That 17 flush and that +2. I don't know which one look better though. Do the 17 with the +2 or just the standard 17 look better inside the 19X? Drop it down below in the comments. That thing is pressure. That's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified every time I drop a banger. Just hit the bell. Cause if you ain't subscribed, if you ain't part of the Heat Gang, what you doing?